Having just spent almost $400 pumping out our septic tank, we have a new plan, and this costs very little, and we think it's going to help not have to do that again. By the way, I'll address the smell here in a second, but our dog Daphne has followed me in here because these smell kind of like cheese powder, and she thinks it's a T-R-E-A-T. I can't use that word. All right, so there are 12 pods. Here they are right there. It's strains of bacteria, it's strains of like different enzymes, and basically you just drop it into the toilet and it dissolves in there, and then you flush it. And that's it. And like I said, this is our new plan. This is, there's a little marker on the back. I really like that. This is going to be our first time to use it. I've read a ton of reviews, landed on this product because of all the reviews. And so I'm feeling pretty confident about it. I actually reached out to the company because I do a bunch of reviews and stuff, and they actually sent me this for free. Having said that, I was ready to buy it. The cost is super low per use. I think it's going to be that little extra that we needed to get us over the hump so that we don't have to call the septic pump guy back out and spend almost $400. So anyway, I'm happy with it. Some people were talking about the smell, and I was just mentioning and joking about it with the dog. The smell of this smells like a very light cheese kind of powder. So they must be talking about smells coming out of their toilet, which is not going to be this fault. This is actually going to help eliminate that if that is the case, because this is going down into the septic and helping break down the organic material and all the stuff. And so it breaks down, and so therefore it doesn't clog up your system. If your system gets clogged and that flows over and it starts clogging up the rest of your drains and stuff, you've got hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and even thousands of dollars worth of a problem. So this is a super affordable, just kind of boost to the system, and we're excited to do it. So again, smell is not an issue. I saw that. What else can I tell you? There's 12 of them, so it's a 1-year supply. Yeah, I mean, I just read a ton of reviews and landed on this one, and I couldn't believe the price. So anyway, I'm happy with it. And I haven't got results yet, but I'm happy with it based on everything I've read, and I think we will be extremely happy. What else can I tell you? I think that's it. It's pretty simple. I guess this is the last thing. There's no chemicals. That's the big thing. It's natural ingredients, and that is a huge plus. This is going out into your yard, and I didn't want that in our yard. So anyway, thank you. Looking forward to this. Hope this helps. And again, 1-year supply. Excited about it. All right, let's do it.